Welcome back, Nail Queens. Today I have a huge haul, unboxing, swatch and review for you from the All Powdered Up's January 21st release. So all the colors I'm going to be showing you here today are from that release, and I have all the colors here except for the KC Kansas City Duo, but everything else is here. So I'm going to swatch everything and show you all the colors, show you the exclusives from December and January, the Valentine's Day Duo, Mardi Gras, St. Patrick's Day, all the things came in this release. So first up is the Valentine's Day Trio. The first color I'm going to show you is Are You a Keyboard Because You're Just My Type? This is a gorgeous shimmery pink dip powder. It's so stunning. The next one's Do You Like Raisins? How do you feel about a date? This is a chunky purple glitter. And then the third one in the trios, Was There an Earthquake or Did You Just Rock My World? This one has lips, you guys. Oh, I love Valentine's Day glitters with lips. So I'm going to show you all of the swatches here in a second. They go together so beautifully. I love this combination of colors. They can be worn separately, together, you name it. It's so cute. So next up is the St. Patrick's Day Duo, It Ain't Over Till It's Clover and Let's Glow. So here's what the colors look like, and it's funny because Let's Glow actually does glow in the dark. So if you like glowing colors, I highly suggest purchasing this duo if you haven't already. I'm Kind of a Bead Deal is the Mardi Gras color for this release, and look at those foils, the purple foils, those green chameleon flakes. Everything came together beautifully. I am not usually drawn to Mardi Gras themed colors, but when they're done and executed like this is, it just feels like a luxurious, very high-end dip powder. There's just so many beautiful elements in it. And then the January and December exclusives are these. So Pugs and Kisses is the December 2022. It is a chameleon flake, y'all. Look at those flakes, the way they fly. So I'm showing you the back side of the swatch stick because the top side of my swatch stick picked up all of the foils, but you can totally see the glitters in here too. So I wanted to show you both sides. And then joined at the lip is the January 2023 exclusive. This one is so freaking stunning. I'm so drawn to it. I'm a sucker for blues, especially non-traditional holiday colors. So this one has lips and hearts and you name it. I think it's absolutely perfect for Valentine's Day, especially if you're a blue lover like me. Crystal is actually the exclusive freebie for the anniversary shade for All Powdered Up because they just hit 3 years in business. It is so freaking beautiful. I love like the purple, like iridescent shift to it. And then Teal Breaker is a color changer. It changes in cold or hot temperatures. So it goes from this color to more of a white color. I'll show you their swatch. And then Ice and Easy is another blue. I'm actually going to go based on color family in this swatch and review. This is a glitter, like more of a finer glitter blue shade. And then A Dream Come Blue. See, we're still in the blues. This one's more of a chunky blue that pairs beautifully with Ice and Easy, must I say. It is so stunning. I just could not resist all of these colors. You're My Only Riesling. This is more of a white with like a golden yellow shimmer to it. It's like working with butter. So easy to use. Now moving into the purple category. Everything Happens for a Raisin. It's a dark grape purple with like, I think like golden orange glitter shimmers. Winterberry is, this one's just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I feel like I'm looking at like shells. Flake Your Claim is a flaky purpley color. So it's more on the dusty purple range in my opinion. And then Bury Me, I totally lost the label to it, is another purple. It just looks like oil slick. It's so beautiful. There's so much going on in this color. And the flakes are a totally like unexpected ingredient that she used in this. Look how pretty they are. Love You Watts is a chunky glitter. I love the names that she uses for her dip powders, by the way. They're so punny and cute. So this is more like of a rainbow mashup of colors. I really like it. And then Achieve Grapeness is another thermal changer. So this is a purpley to purple white color changer. Foxy is a very soft, delicate, flaky gray, almost like a purpley pink. Hard to tell, but yeah, it's gorgeous. Unforgettable. So like fig, you get it, purple. Sometimes the names totally give away the color that it is, which I love. Is a chunky, like pinky purple blend mixture of colors. It's so pretty. Flirt is a pink chunkier glitter. This would totally be beautiful for Valentine's Day, but I love how it can be used for spring and summer shades as well. Rosewood is a rose mauve color. It doesn't pick up true to color here. Definitely check out her website swatches to get the true to color that it is. Time to Wind Down is, you guessed it, a wine berry shade. So beautiful, has a gorgeous shimmer to it as well. If you don't like chunky glitters, shimmers are the way to go, and they're so easy to use. Crush is the most gorgeous, I swear, gorgeous color in this release. Like it's like crushed seashells to me. That's what I think of when I look at this, with foils as well. So like literally look at the lid, you can see all the shimmer on it. Be Mine is so pretty. This one is definitely a easier to work with kind of color. It's very flaky, although you do see some glitters in it. It's more on the flaky, softer, easier to use range in my opinion. Heart, I want to say hard to get, but it's hard to get, is a chunky rose, kind of like rose pink, rose gold glitter blend. So it's definitely on the chunkier side, but it is so pretty and it's got flakes in it. Alright, so that is it for my haul on the APU January 21st launch swatch and review. If you guys have some favorites from this launch, let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite. I definitely think Crush and Joined at the Lips are my two favorite from this entire collection, but they're all so incredibly beautiful. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!